Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Today's radio, the Galaxy DX-99V2. This is for Eric in Georgia. Eric is starting AM, power all the way down. On this scale here, we have 10 watts across the top, power all the way down is 1. Turn the power control all the way to its maximum, and we get 10. The peak power, 50 watt scale. It's in the middle there, so that's 40. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2. And on sideband, I'll turn this radio down now. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, there you have it. About at 19, can I get a radio check breaker?
Man, you check out.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.